is up, everyone? I'm Garrett Messner, and today's gonna be the first vlog ever. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go to my friend Brandon's house, and we're gonna go take apart the 300ZX. But first, we gotta get coolant for this thing, the Mustang, because as you can see, coolant gauge is coming up. So until then, I'll be right back. Let me try pushing it down. 3 inches. Are you able to get to the release from there? It's probably screwed up. So you gotta figure out a way to get the hood back open.
I don't know how.
Neither do I.
I pulled on it pretty damn hard and it didn't want to do anything.
I did too earlier. Or yesterday. So where's that pry bar that your dad had? As you guys can all see, this is the 300ZX that we will be parting out. Drift Stang and then normal Mustangs. Oh, Kelly, what are you doing, pups? Did you find it?
You know if you walked in here with it or if you walked that way?
I have no idea. Did you put it in on the other things?
Did you put it in the bigger garage? No, Einstein.
What the hell?
Holy shit.
Yeah. Is even metal?
Aluminum.
Why does it look like well, like it looks like it's got like all these fibers in it, looks like, but it's weird. Freaking melted. Yeah. Watch out, Skidsy. What? Oh my god, bro.
This is going to work over there.
You freaking just shot dirt all over top of me.
I don't know what this was, but it's mostly obliterated.
Yeah, whatever. Definitely just gonna need like. Look at all this. Yeah, the throttle cable still intact. Freaking solid though. And isn't that plastic?
Look at that.
Let me see.
Smells good in there.
Oh,
the motor's good.
Freaking twin turbo swap into the Mustang. Let's go. No.
Yeah. I go over well.
Oh, alright, 2J swapping it, so someday when I get a job, you know.
Yeah. Hey! No, it's not for you. Go dig your hole.
He just likes getting into everything.
So.
Yeah.
Hey, it didn't squeak anymore.
Yeah, there's nothing to squeak.
This radiator's trash.
Yeah. Look at this. Freaking just a big this ball.
Look at that.
I'm surprised that hose down below didn't melt. That's attached to it.
No, don't eat that.
He's eating the plants.
Yeah, I don't know if it's poisonous or not. Hey, no! Stop it!
I don't know if it's actually poison.
Stop! You wanna get sick? You dumbass.
That's freaking digging a trench.
No, yeah, they ain't gonna do anything.
Yeah, they weren't attached anyways. These are really held together by zip ties, by the way.
What?
My radiator to the radiator supports.
No. Well, I was just gonna
I think the zip ties are melted. Oh yeah. You just hit it. Got this one over here. There you go.
Look at that. That is impressive.
Yeah, that's surprisingly isn't melted.
God,
Look, there's still a belt intact over here. This thing is. I honestly think this was a belt that was squeaking too.
Alright, you got a flathead?
Yeah.
I'm fairly confident in all the coolant. Kelly.
Can you hold it? I'm recording still? Oh no, I'm just freaking magnet fell in this thing, so it's like weird.
What? Don't you have like a normal screwdriver?
No, dude, this is like $100-something kit. Works fine.
Yeah, you just gotta, you know, hold it so it doesn't fall out.
Yeah, I already lost one.
Hey, stop eating the plant.
That should be good.
Oh yeah, there still is corn in it.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, there's a lot of corn.
No!
No, puppy. No. Go.
You got it?
Yeah.
Hey, come on. It's not for you. This way. Hey, get something to dry it up with.
You know, I take.
You wanna die? This is how you die.
That's coming off.
Yeah.
The other one I think's fried.
Yeah. Well, you just gotta get to it, I think.
Maybe.
Might just be stripped. It's really easy to turn.
Nothing. Is there no bolt there? This one that was in my car, or?
Yeah, that's when I was in the car.
I don't think there's a bolt there.
Dude.
Oh no, what's this right here? Oh, it's down there. Hey. There's a bolt. This is for everyone to get to it. I do not think we're gonna get to it. Like, I think we need to do more excavation.
Yeah. Get around it.
Are these all pins?
No. This is a little cam phaser.
What is it?
This is a cam phaser. These aren't on there very tight.
Oh no.
No, I got it.
I believe it. The guy that had this car before me definitely, or definitely did not have anything too tight. Alright, so we gotta cut these bolts off, this one, and these ones over here, that one, and the one up there, because we can't get them off with the Allen wrench. So, and they're all rusted on there and everything, as you guys can see, and they're bending. So I'm going to cut them off and take the body panels off and whatnot. So stay tuned.
Plastic's melted on there. There's a hose that's...
Oh, watch out. Where's your hammer at? Right here. Where's your hammer?
Oh, well, that's a wide angle.
Yeah. Like, I don't know if there's plastic melted to it that's holding it on or what.
She gonna go in deeper?
Yeah. You know, we're not the most intelligent people on the planet. There's bolts down there.
Yeah, there's bolts for this one.
Yeah, the bottom one? Yeah.
Yeah, but we're trying to get this hose off. Maybe I'll take the bottom one off first. I don't know.
You have to. I mean, just try taking the bottom off, I guess. So where's that 13 millimeter? Because that's what it probably is. Oh, never mind.
Today completely disposed of the prop.
Mm-hmm.
You want me to hold the GoPro?
Yeah, if you would.
Why is the screen black?
Oh, it just turns off, whatever.
Oh. You only have it 30 frames?
Hey man, it's an old GoPro.
Hmm.
Hey, it's 04.
Oh.
Oh, man. That one's a freaking Allen key.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, you know where the Allen key drawer is.
So where's the kind of adapter that you found?
It's sitting up in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Right there. I hear you, dingus. You film some wicked porn with this.
Oh, yeah.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I got it. Mm-hmm.
What's that?
That's McDonald's.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know. Did you get it?
I think so. I found it.
What is it?
Milkshake.
From where?
Strawberry milkshake. I don't want it. Hold on, just.
Did you see my Snapchats?
I have no data. So.
Oh. How's dinner?
It's good. Eat like 2 pounds of crab, man.
Grab a lobster.
Crab.
I thought it was lobster.
It's like $100, man.
So that all you can eat?
Well, it wasn't all you can eat. It was, she's like, money's not an issue today.
That's what Clayton said?
Yeah.
So I could have gone?
I mean, I don't know about that.
And did he ask where I was?
No.
Oh. It's
I like
okay.
her.
We had extra cheese, extra pepperoni. There's a piece in the fridge.
Yeah.
And then
The cinnamon things
I
look really
talked
good.
Garrett into the cinnamon things. Those are really fucking good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, how are they? He's like, they're all right. And he got one piece that was like coated in glaze. And then he started eating. He's like, oh yeah, these are good.
I'm gonna go inside. My hair can smell bad.
We're gonna have to shower anyway.
Why? Oh yeah, but I can't. I'm not gonna wash my hair again.
So? Well, me too. What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, good.
You want me to do it?
If you'd like to go for it.
All right, Neil Dick.
It's loose. Good.
You're tightening it.
I was just loosening it so I can get the $100 special at Home Depot.
Yeah. What you want to do is you want to buy Craftsman tools. So what you want to do is you want to buy Craftsman stuff. You fucking walk into Sears, be like, yo, I need a new screwdriver. You show them your old one, they're like, all right. I legit walked in and out, got all like 6 new screwdrivers. They warranty them. They're lifetime warranty. Anything happens, you bend it, fucking chrome starts peeling off, you light it on fire and it melts.
I think it should be out.
All right, Hulk. Yeah.
Well, it was just loosening itself up. Unless it's a freaking
All right, here.
bolt. Here.
Here's a GoPro. The maestro with the work.
All right. Obviously, I'm moving, so.
Yeah, give me,
Yeah.
some pliers.
So where's the bolts for that? For the nuts.
Oh, yeah, I'll throw it on here.
We want to put them back on.
Put them all in there.
Oh boy.
The washers. Can't take too far ahead with those.
Alright, I'll try to find the bolts and, or the nuts and washers for that.
You put it on there. Run right, but it has a front number on it.
Mm-hmm.
It says NA.
Yeah, NA. This is definitely not NA.
Unless it's just like part of the part number.
Alright. Goes on the other way, doesn't it, Brian? There we go. Why are some of these sticking through more than others? There we go. That's much better cut. Oh, because there's freaking plastic all behind it. Look at all this. So pretty much, as you guys can see, is we're just cleaning up the engine bay and decrustification it, you know, taking all the crusty, burnt plastic off and everything and whatnots. And later on, we'll get into actually completely parting it out. Look at all this. Do you see all this like rubber in here?
Yeah.
So that thing wasn't even going on flush because of all this plastic in behind it.
Yeah. Watch out. Make that hose.
Those even fit around that?
Yeah.
There's 2 of them.
There's just one you really have to take off.
Well, you got the one in the back. That's not the one in the front.
How the fuck does this thing come off?
That totally works. See, the pry bar. No way.
I don't know.
Over here.
Well,
You can't
goes
unclamp
right
that one right there. The other one.
What, this
Also?
one?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's in a really weird spot. Dumbass. You didn't get the one at the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, there's another one? I got the one in between the two.
What size was it?
The one that's on there? Oh, it was a 12.
You put the 12 back or is it still out?
Huh? 12's in there, right there.
So you put it back?
Yeah. You want the flashlight here or what?
Alright. Set that there.
Freaking pro lighting. Get it?
Yeah, you can get the bolt out. And nut.
You don't need this 12 anymore, do you?
No.
I'm really gonna get a bag. Oh no.
What is it? Oh, it's the thermostat housing.
Oh, what the hell? That fit. You got that out?
Oh. Now I see why the other thing wasn't coming off. There's one at the bottom too.
Oh,
You
really?
have to take the thermostat housing off to get to it. So.
I didn't know that. Daddy told me about
Hold that. Let's put some paper towels in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. You collected the bolts from this one, right? The top?
What do you mean the top? Oh yeah, they're in the bolts and the
I'm just
nuts.
making sure you're collecting everything.
Oh yeah, the bolts also. I'm talking about. They're in my pocket.
Because I was throwing shit away.
What the fuck? Yeah, it should come out. Probably that. Right there.
Yeah, fitting. New light.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just those three. We got this one off, and there's this one right here.
There's another one?
Yeah, you know where the pliers at.
Oh, right here. Oh, there was one underneath that too.
Mm. There.
Yeah, let me try.
It should just come off. All the bolts are out, so you don't have to worry about any of that shit.
Probably. Where's the other phone?
right now.
What's he doing?
Digging a hole. Once it was.
What are you doing?
Where's screwdriver? Where's that other screwdriver at? One of them.
The flathead I was using?
Yeah, just because this piping is like on there. Yeah, that piping I feel like is like, it's holding it.
Keep going.
I can do. There we go.
Oh my god.
It's like just that piece of this.
Oh shit.
Hmm?
He melted to it.
This other one showing? Yeah. That's why, because it's a freaking stupid clip right there. Why doesn't pliers?
Are you dripping sweat or is it starting to rain?
No, I'm dripping sweat. I think it's supposed to put it in.
What are you looking for?
Pliers. Oh, right here. Alright, it's Florida and it's hot out. There. Alright, hey everyone, thank you guys all for watching. I literally just barely got out of the shower because I was all covered in like soot and everything, but if you guys want to keep up with the 300ZX and also the build on the Mustang for making it into a drift car, just keep on watching the channel and whatnot. But I'm going to be posting up more videos of the 300ZX and taking it apart and whatnot and selling all the parts. So if you guys enjoyed, hit that subscribe button and the like button and stay tuned.